Hey guys, it is me, Catherine. I'm going to be taking you through your third number session for the week, following on from what Alana has been going through the last couple of sessions. I'm hoping by now that you guys are all settled into your home learning routines, and that if you are, I guess, confused with anything that you're doing, you are keeping in contact with us and sending us messages through Compass. If you need any help, or even if you just want to check in with how you're going. Alrighty, so for today, we are obviously doing our third number session. We are going to be looking at continuing on with subtraction. Our learning intention for today is that we are learning to solve subtraction problems using what we know about addition. Now, I know that Alana has gone on with how to create fact families, and you should be super good at creating fact families by now, and that is part of your success criteria. Okay, so you are going to know if you are successful based on what we go through is if you can create a number sentence. You are able to use the same set of numbers for addition and subtraction, and that you know addition and subtraction can create fact families, which you have already been practicing. Now, what we are looking at today is halving. Okay, so I have 4 different subtraction problems up, as you can hopefully see. My first one, and the very first one that I want you to focus on, is my 8 take away or subtract 4. Okay, now we are going to have a look at it as a what do we know. I know that some of you are able to answer that off the top of your head, but remember, especially if you're in my class or anybody else's, I guess, it's not about how you get there, or sorry, it's not about the answer, it's about how you get there and knowing the strategies that you are able to put in place. Okay, so on my other side of my screen, you can see that I have flipped my problem to be an addition problem. Okay, so instead of going, oh my goodness, I don't know how to take away 4 from 8, I'm going to have a look at it, go, okay, what do I need? So I'm going to have a look right here. How many more do I need from 4 to get to 8? Okay, so how many more do I need? Okay, and now you guys are super clever and would know that the answer is 4, because sometimes you know half of 8 is 4 very quickly, and you can recall that off the top of your head. All right, we're going to have a look at the next one now, which is 12 take away or subtract 6. Using the same method, flipping it to an addition problem. 6 and how many more gets me 12. Okay, so having a look. 6 and how many more gets to 12. And yes, it is 6. All right, now I have thrown in a couple of extras in there, I guess, to challenge you a little bit, or to see how much you are able to get through it. If I have a look at 20 take away 10, all right, another one. If you are super quick to recall that, fantastic, but how do you know you got the answer? How do you know you're right? I'm going to double check using my addition to make sure that I'm correct. Okay, so I am going to hopefully be able to draw my, yeah. So if I want to check that my answer is correct, I would flip it to addition. That's also okay as well. Okay, I'm going to give you a little bit of time to practice that last one by yourself. So 24 subtract 12 equals how many? And hopefully you are able to get the answer of 12. Now the last one that I'm going to throw in there for you guys is a bit tricky. So 48 take away 24. How do you think we are going to solve this? Okay, what I can do is practice my same principle. Might take you a little bit of time, but that is okay. So I'm going to use my problem, so 24 plus, or adding, I'll put a question mark there for you now. How many to be able to get to 48? Okay, so you can see that I'm looking at it as an addition problem now, instead of going, oh, I can't do it as a subtraction, which you all can. Okay, so I know, sorry, that should be 48, not 28. Okay, I know that to get to 48, 8, based on what we've done so far, is double 4, so my number must end in a 4. And I know that 4, because I'm super clever and know all of my multiples of 2, is double 2. So I'm going to half it. And there is my answer. 24 plus 24 equals 48. And then if I have a look again over this side, that must mean that 48 take away 24 is the same as 24. I hope that this has made a bit of sense. And let me know if you or your teachers you're confused and you might need some additional help. I'm going to stop my screen share. And I hope that you guys are, like I said, traveling well, and let us know if you need a hand. Ta.